three boys all still together. Hmm? I can't believe that. Hey, my three boys are all together. You looking at Daddy's finger there, Henry? Huh? Oh, that's what they said the wind was going to... Look at my three boys. Oh, I love you all, what I do. Yes. Huh? How could anybody not love the boys? I ask you. Huh? But you don't know. No, don't come on to me, Harry. No. You know, boys need to stay out here for as long as you can. Yes. I mean, you do get out of your home for 2 hours a day, but this is your big hour outside of the home. Huh? Well, for brekkie time, you boys, I just open up the top doors for you so you can run around and get into the carry cage. Huh? Look at you, little Henry. Huh? I can't believe you boys aren't running around. Huh? Look at Greggy. Oh, so little Henry. Until Gazza. Not Gazza, Harry. El Hazza. Where's El Hazza? No, don't get on to me. Okay, boys, well, I'll leave you three boys here, and I'll go sit back down again. How's that sound like? Huh? That's what you boys do, have a pretty good life, don't you? Huh? Yes. I hope I give you boys a good life. It's not bad, Dad. Can always be better, as you know, but it's not bad, mate.